Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and this time with an American recipe for zucchini bread. This is a sweet bread and it's really delicious, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Let's get started.
Varied ingredients today. We need 1.5 cups or 190 grams of flour, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, a dash of salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 cup or about 150 grams of shredded zucchini, that's from about 1 to 2 zucchinis, 1 egg, 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of oil. Begin by adding all of the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl and combine them quickly. Then add the shredded zucchini, oil, and egg to the dry ingredients and mix it with a large spoon. One nice thing about this recipe is that it doesn't need a mixer. Mix until just combined. Pour the batter into a greased bread pan. Spread the batter around. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. Allow the bread to cool completely before removing from the pan. I'll show you how I cut it. This sweet bread is rather cake-like and also makes delicious muffins. It's quite soft, and the main flavor you can taste is the cinnamon. The zucchini doesn't give it a strong flavor. It's more or less a fat substitute in the bread that means you don't need any butter. It's lovely and moist and cake-like. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. If you like sweet breads like banana bread, you'll love this. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.